Hi, I'm Matt with the HomeGauge support team, and today I'd like to talk to you about our most recent update to the HomeGauge Companion software. HomeGauge Companion 5.3 for Android includes the ability to use forms right on your mobile device. Forms like wood destroying insect, wind mitigations, 4 points, so there's no more waiting until you get back to the office to really finish up your report. In this video, we'll look at updating our desktop software and updating our Android device, or making sure it's up to date, so you can start taking advantage of these new features immediately. First, let's look at our desktop software. We're going to begin by opening up HomeGauge, and we're going to head to the Help menu in the menu bar, usually found at the top of the application. In here, we'll select Check for Updates, the second to last item in that menu. And here we see we currently have version 5.3.4, and there's an update for 5.3.5. We'll download it now. Once it's done downloading, we're going to get a message here that says that it's been downloaded and would we like to install it now. We'll click Yes. While this is installing on my computer, I'll mention that the new forms that are going to work on the new version of Companion are actually part of this desktop installation. So we need to get them downloaded and installed here. There are a number of our most popular forms already included. There are some forms that are still coming, and we have a couple of forms for purchase. Information about those forms will be in the comments below. Okay, and so now once our installation is done, we can check out our new forms by going to Miscellaneous and the Forms tab and adding a form. What we'll see are the already included and free forms that are part of the 5.3.5 installation. We have a checkbox that will allow you to show older forms in the event that you need them. Once we've downloaded the desktop update and gotten it installed, we need to download our new forms in at least one template to the cloud. So, find the HG Services menu in the menu bar at the top of the application and choose Upload Cloud Templates and Settings. Again, we need to send at least one template with all of our forms in order for this process to work. I'm going to choose Room by Room. Once we've sent our template and our forms to the cloud, we need to download them onto our Companion. Start by opening the HomeGauge Companion app on your mobile device. Select the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. Find the HG Services menu and select Get Templates and Settings from the cloud. Our template and our forms will now download to our Companion device. And you're all set. You're now ready to use forms on your Companion in the field. Of course, if you have any trouble with this process, please feel free to call, email, or chat our support department using the information you find in the comments of this video. Thank you, and have a good day.